Welcome back, guys. It's me, your boy Eric, and we're back again with a Z. We're gonna be going to a car meet today. Lethbridge has this yearly thing of, going all out with cars. So it's called Street Wheelers, and it's just a weekend full of cars after cars, autocross, drag comp, car shows, car meets, and just a bunch of hooligans out there. So we're going to be cleaning the car quickly, and then we're going to drive out to Lethbridge to meet up with some few new, hopefully, friends. Okay? Okay. Branding. not supposed to be vlogging and driving. You know, Street Wheelers is all about having fun out with their cars. It's amazing. But here's the thing. Mayor McGrath, which is like the main road in the city, is just a bunch of cars, a bunch of people on the sides, like right over there. There's just a bunch of people, you know, sitting in the lawn and watching cars go by. It's pretty amazing. So, I mean, like I said, Street Wheelers is canceled because of COVID. So people are just going out, you know, doing their own thing. Like motorcycles, trucks. I don't know if that Sammy's a part of it, but just rolling coal. Like, what the f? I've always wanted a Miata. Like, look at that small car. Whoopsies. Well, it was a fun day. Yeah, I didn't really vlog that much because there was like a lot of things going on, and I was trying to keep up with taking photos of random cars, and I actually met a few friends. That's great. I still don't know their names, but I got their Instagram tags, so that's great. At the end of the night, I got a ticket for a stupid reason, but you know, it was a great day. It was a great day. So if you enjoyed that video, just hit the subscribe. If you liked the video, hit the like, and I'll see you on the next video, I guess. Take it easy, folks.
Oh,